The ultimate anti-aging skincare treatment cream. Clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkle depth by up to 78% and increase hydration and moisture levels by up to 45%. This powerful cream provides a progressive lifting effect through increased collagen support. ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream is a dynamic combination of the marine algae Padina Pavonica and absolutes, gingko biloba, and liposomes that deliver visible results within 15 days. These actions work together to promote soft skin that is youthful, radiant, and healthy. Reduces the depth of wrinkles and fine lines. Deep hydration and moisturization of the skin provides an accelerated lifting effect, though increased collagen support increases cell renewal, firmness, and elasticity. For fine lines and wrinkles, Padina Pavonica, Rose, Mimosa Firms, Smooths, Hydrates. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.